Hello friends, welcome back in the Sharpage update. Today, I Dipanjali Saxena is going to teach you a new topic, that is changes around us. Every day, a lot of changes occurs in our surroundings, such as when we kept ice in open, it melts into the water. Also, many changes occurs in our body. For example, our nails grow, our hair grows, we grow taller, etc. Can we group these changes? Yes, it might be, if we find some similarities between them.
Depending on whether the change can be reversed or not, they are classified as reversible and irreversible changes. Let's understand it with the help of some activities. For reversible changes, we need
Papers, balloons, scissors, and a needle. Just take a balloon and blow it.
After blowing the balloon, the shape we get is different from the original shape and size. Now, release the air. Does it come back to its original shape and size? Yes, it is. It means that the changes occurring in these activities can be reversed. Now, let's take one more activity. Fold a sheet of paper. Can we get the same paper by unfolding the paper? Yes, it means that it is reversible change. Now for irreversible changes. Take a balloon, blow it to its full size and tie its mouth. Prick it with the pointed tip of pin. Oops, it burst. After bursting the balloon which we get, not the original one. We can't blow it again. Take one more activity. Take a paper and cut it. Can you get the same paper in its original position back? No, we can't. Hence, this is an example of irreversible change. Reversible changes. Changes that can be reversed are called reversible changes. For example, the molten wax becomes solid again when cooled. Irreversible changes. Changes that cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. For example, cutting a sheet of paper into several pieces. Depending on which property of the substances undergoes a change, it is called as physical or chemical change. Let's understand it with the help of some activities. Students, as we know, on cooling, water changes into ice. In this, water is liquid and ice is solid. Such changes are physical changes. In most cases, a physical change is reversible. Now, let's take example of chemical change. If you heat sugar more and more, it burns and gets converted into a black substance. The black substance does not have the properties of sugar. Such a change is called a chemical change.
Physical change. A change where no new substance is formed is called as physical change. For example, melting of candle. Chemical change. A change that can form new substances with different properties is called as chemical change. For example, curdling of milk.
Expansion and contraction of materials. Changes can be brought about by heating or cooling certain substances. Metals like iron, gold, and silver soften on heating and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Thus, on heating, metals expand and on cooling, they go back to their original sizes. Students, hence it is a reversible change. This concept is utilized to fix wooden handles into iron blade to form tools which are used to dig the soil and for various other purposes. The iron blade of these tools has a ring into which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in diameter than the wooden handle. While fixing the handle, the ring is heated. It becomes slightly larger in size, that is, expansion takes place. The wooden handle is now fixed easily in the ring. On cooling, the ring contains its normal size, that is, contraction takes place. The wooden handle fits tightly in the ring. Same concept is used while fixing a metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. Normally, the size of the metal rim is slightly smaller than that of the wooden wheel. While fixing the metal rim, it is heated. It becomes slightly larger in size and can be fixed onto the wooden wheel. On cooling, it contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel.
Now here are some practice questions. Classify the following changes into reversible, irreversible, physical and chemical changes. Number 1. Rusting of iron. Number 2. Burning of paper. Number 3. Boiling of an egg. Number 4. Ripening of fruits. Number 5. Cooking a chapati. Number 6. Growth in animals. Number 7. Weathering of rocks. Number 7. Weathering of rocks. Number 8. Stretching of rubber band. Hope you enjoyed the videos. For more such videos, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.